Python. Lists, tuples, and sets. In Python, lists, tuples, and sets are three different types of data structures used to store collections of items. Each has its own characteristics, use cases, and methods for manipulation. Lists. A list is an ordered, mutable collection of items. It is defined using square brackets. Elements in a list can be of different data types. Lists support indexing, slicing, and various methods for manipulation. Python code. Hash creating a list. My_list equals 1, 2, 3, apple, banana, true. Hash accessing elements. Print my_list 0. Hash output 1. Print my_list 3. Hash output apple. Hash slicing. Print my_list 1 to 4. Hash output 2, 3, apple. Hash modifying elements. My_list 0 equals 99. Print my_list. Hash output 99, 2, 3, apple, banana, true. Hash list methods. My_list append 5. Hash adds 5 to the end of the list. My_list remove banana. Hash removes the first occurrence of banana. Tuples. A tuple is an ordered, immutable collection of items. It is defined using parentheses. Once a tuple is created, its elements cannot be modified. Tuples are often used for fixed collections of items. Python code. Hash creating a tuple. My_tuple equals 1, 2, 3, apple, banana, true. Hash accessing elements. Print my_tuple 0. Hash output 1. Print my_tuple 3. Hash output apple. Hash tuple methods. Limited compared to lists. Length equals len. My_tuple. Hash returns the length of the tuple. Sets. A set is an unordered collection of unique items. It is defined using curly braces, or the set constructor. Sets do not allow duplicate elements. Sets support mathematical set operations like union, intersection, and difference. Python code. Hash creating a set. My_set equals 1, 2, 3, apple, banana. Hash adding and removing elements. My_set.add 4. My_set remove banana. Hash set operations. Set 1 equals 1, 2, 3. Set 2 equals 3, 4, 5. Union_set equals set 1, union. Set 2. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Intersection_set equals set 1, intersection. Set 2. Number 3. It's essential to choose the appropriate data structure based on the specific requirements of your program. Lists are versatile and commonly used. Tuples provide immutability, and sets are useful for ensuring unique elements. Each has its advantages and use cases in different scenarios.